Nicely done, sir.
Yep.
Nice job.
Today is a massive oyster bed lay. We're also collecting debris, whether it be tires overflowing from the bridge or mainly treated lumber, which is toxic to microorganisms and wildlife. The oyster bed is basically going to act like a natural filtration system for a lot of the toxic chemicals that come through the harbor here. Rural areas and beaches such as this, which receive no funding, they don't get cleaned up really at all. Just because this isn't where tourists go, doesn't mean it's not where wildlife lives. Everybody wants, cleaner waterways, pristine area, and I know a lot of people don't come visit down under the bridge, here at Drum Island, but it's mainly important for wildlife. Oysters are huge here financially for the Charleston area. It's just important to keep it clean and keep our priorities straight.